I'm just going to run this a minute and see what I might pick up. I know it looks dark over there. Shoot, I should have turned it around. One of my stalkers just went by. He's like saluting the whole way down the street. That's weird. There is aircraft above me right now. So I'm thinking the it probably is a drone. And there should be some EMF showing on the screen pretty soon. Now I'm going to turn it around here if I can. Oh, I can't. I have to make a second video to turn it around, really? Won't let me switch it. Well, that kind of stinks. So let's see what shows up here. I'm just seeing black. I got a red spot there. That's a light. But I don't know what is going to show up on the film. There's some silver stuff there. I know that's there. Um, Looking at the ceiling right now. This is in back of me. I think my profile, probably my hair. I don't want to show my whole face. And I'm going to show the front here. See if there's anything that picks up. Probably should see a lot of colors, EMF going on. There are some purple lights strobing over there. There's some red lights over here. Oh, you know what? Let's take a look at this that light and see if anything's coming off of that light there. As I still feel weird, I should turn off that light. Okay, that's enough. Let's see what we got.